Hello everyone! Welcome to my channel! Our easy yummy recipe for today is Nian Gao, or better known in the Philippines, Tikoy or New Year cake. This recipe, unlike the commercial Tikoy or Nian Gao, is ready to eat. That's why I call it Special Tikoy. This Tikoy has two flavors, the vanilla with peanut butter filling and peanut coating. The other one is the ube flavor with Ube Halaya filling and coarsely crushed cashew nuts. Let's start by putting the salt to the glutinous rice flour, then mix. Then in the water, just add the sugar, then stir to dissolve. I already added 1 cup of condensed milk, then stir again to blend well with the water and sugar mixture. Then combine the dry ingredients with the wet ingredients. Whisk well until smooth consistency. Then the last ingredients for the basic Nian Gao or Tikoy, add the peanut oil, then mix again. I prepared 2 medium bowls, then I decided to just divide the mixture for less dirty dishes. In one mixing bowl with the mixtures, I added vanilla extract, and to the other bowl, I added few drops of Purple Yam extract. I lightly greased the 2 separate pans to prevent the tikoy mixture from sticking to the pan. Then pour the vanilla flavor mixtures, and to the other pan, the purple yam flavor mixture. And set it aside. Prepare the steamer. Get the water, bring to a boil before steaming the tikoy mixture. Cover the 2 pans with aluminum foil. I also cover with the parchment paper. This is an optional step. You can just cover with aluminum foil if you prepare to do it with your food. Now the water is boiling. We can start steaming the tikoy. I steam my tikoy for 35 minutes. But checking the tikoy after steaming for 25 minutes, then do the toothpick test. Then set it aside, then let cool down for 5 minutes. While the tikoy is still warm, I start working the next steps. Flatten the tikoy with a rolling pin. I cover the working area with the saran wrap to prevent from sticking to the working area and also to the rolling pin. I put the peanut butter in a sandwich bag. Cut the tikoy to your desired size. Then put as a filling the peanut butter. Then roll like a log. Press firmly towards the end to seal the seam. Then do it with all the tikoy with vanilla flavor. Get the coarsely ground peanuts. Coat all the tikoy with the crushed peanuts, then set it aside. Let's work with the other flavor, the purple yam. Boil again the water, then steam the purple yam tikoy mixture. Let's prepare the purple yam filling. Set up a double boiler in a medium heat. Pre-boil first the pot, then mixing all the ingredients in a bowl. The ube halaya, the sugar, the room temperature butter, the salt, and the purple yam extract. Mix together, then put in a double boiler. Mix the ube halaya mixture for 5 minutes until it reaches the consistency of a spreadable paste. Let's check our tikoy with a toothpick test. If it comes out clean, then set it aside for 5 minutes. The purple yam tikoy in a working place covered with a saran wrap. Using a rolling pin, flatten the tikoy, cut, then fill with the prepared ube halaya spread. Roll like a log, then firmly press the end to seal the seam. With all the purple yam tikoy. Coat all the purple yam tikoy with coarsely crushed cashew nuts. Daddy Don, let's eat!
Okay, I'm coming.
Thanks for watching. Kong Hei Pachoy for this year and the years to come.